For today's activity, you won't need any materials except your hands. You'll speak words or word parts to help your child figure out the mystery word. Using your hands, say each word or word part, and then ask your child to tell you the mystery word. Let's get started. I will model it for you. Say cup, cake. Ask what is the mystery word. Your child should say cupcake. Say water. Ask the mystery word. It's water. Say play time and ask the mystery word, playtime. Say football. The mystery word is football. Say snowball. Ask the mystery word, snowball. Then say robot and ask the mystery word, robot. For an extension activity, ask your child, what is cupcake without the cake? Let's try it. Cupcake. What is cupcake without cake? Cup. Continue the activity. Say, what is water without wa? It's ter. What's playtime without time? Play. What's football without ball? Your child should say foot. What is snowball without ball? It's snow. And lastly, what's robot without row? Bot. This activity will help your child build a reading foundation. You can do this activity in the car, during lunch or dinner, bath time, or while you're waiting in line. Just start with words, compound words, or two-syllable words. Always work and go through the steps that were outlined above, and remember to make it fun. To rewatch this video and find more resources, go to palmbeachschools.org/kindergarten, and happy practicing.